Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to solve a random problem, and this is from the Philippine Mathematical Olympiad 2007 area stage. So this is more than 14 years ago. So the problem states that if this number is equal to the product when 3 times the quantity of 523 plus a is multiplied by itself. So basically the number being mentioned here is a square of this number as well, which is the 3 times blah blah blah, and we need to find the digit a. Okay, so if you want to solve this problem, you can give it a try and pause this video, and if you're ready, you can watch the video and see how to solve this problem. Okay, so to make things easier, we're going to convert this English sentence into a mathematical sentence. So 2a 99561 is just equal to the square root of, equals to the quantity of 3 times 523 plus a squared. Okay, so if I'm going to simplify this, it becomes 9 times, okay, just paste, copy, paste, then erase. Okay, here you go. So we have two options. So in case you don't know, we're going to do a modulo arithmetic technique. So for those who don't know modulo arithmetic, I recommend you to search it on YouTube because there's so many tutorials about it, and probably I'm going to make a video about it, but I don't think so because this is just a random problem, and yeah, I just want to solve. Anyways, there's so much videos about it. Okay, so we have two options. Now we have these factors right here, and if you're going to multiply these numbers, this will become this number. Okay, so what are these two options, Kuya Josh? Okay, either we're going to take the modulo of this number by this number, or in other words, we're gonna use this number to find the modulo of this number, or we're going to do this number modulo 9. So if I were you, I would choose 9, because if I'm going to choose this number, the problem solving will be so much harder than you thought. So I'm going to use modulo 9. So this is the turnaround of this problem right now. So it becomes 2a 99561 modulo 9. Okay, to elaborate further, so it becomes, okay, copy paste, copy, paste. Here you go. And I'm going to erase, and so this number is congruent to 0 modulo 9. Okay, I think I did not mention this earlier. I just make things complicated. Sorry about that. So basically, this number must be divisible by 9. That's the whole point. So that's why we're going to do modulo arithmetic. Sorry about that, guys. My brain is really, yeah, sa sobrang talino, hindi na alam ng basic. So sorry about that. Pero sige na lang, try natin, ha? So please bear with me. Anyways, next we're going to expand this. What do we mean by expansion? So basically it is something like this. So like, for example, 121, this is just equal to 100 plus 20 plus 1. So that's the thing that we're going to do next. So Josh, do the trick. So how many digits that we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore this is, so 2 is the million digit. So it becomes 2 million. So 2 million plus A. So A 100,000. So if you don't know, study more. Actually, this is basic mathematics. You can learn this in elementary because this is the lesson that we've learned before. So yeah. So we have 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 561. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in this way. So because I think there's no need to expand it, because if we're going to solve this later, it will just become much easier. Anyways, so notice that we can just do scientific notation. So let's do it. So 2 times 10 raised to 6 plus A times 10 raised to 5 plus 9 times 10 raised to 4. Okay, so you know where this is will go to. So 9 times raised to 3 plus 561. Okay, we're going to do modulo right now. So finally, nandito na tayo. Anyways, if you're going to take the modulo of this number, you don't need to take the modulo of 2. You don't need to find the remainder of 2 divided by 9, because obviously it is just equal to 2. But if you're going to do modulo on this number, we know that 10 divided by 9 is equal to 1 point blah blah blah, and it has the remainder of 1. So therefore, we can just put 2 plus a times raised to 5, same on all numbers that has the scientific notation that or basically that has 10 on it, on the term. So I can just write it directly. So 2 plus A plus, okay, so this is the, so these numbers are really interesting, because if I'm going to take the modulo of these two numbers, it becomes 0, because 9 divided by 9 is 1 and has the remainder of 0. So therefore, I can just put 0 plus 0 plus 561. 561 modulo 9. If you're going to divide it, it will become 3, because the remainder of 561 over 9 is 3. So congruent to 0 modulo 9. Next, so we're going to squeeze the whole thing. So we have A, so A plus 2 plus 3 is 5, congruent to 0 modulo 9. And finally, if we're going to isolate A, it will become A congruent to negative 5 modulo 9. Since there's no such thing as a negative digit, we can just add 9 to negative 5. So therefore, our A is just equal to 4. Yes, negative 5 plus 9 is equal to 4. So this is our answer. Okay, if you don't believe me, you can try your calculator and just substitute A with 4, and if you're going to use your calculator, it will just it will release at the same result. So this is the answer of this problem, and thanks for watching, and I hope I will improve more. If you have some commentaries and criticisms, I would happy to read them. And this is Josh of MathMadeEasyPH, and see you on the next video. Thank you very much.